In today's fast paced world, managing human resources should be easy, streamlined, and efficient. Meet O2 HR Plus, a comprehensive solution for HR professionals. Are you still struggling with outdated HR systems? Dealing with complex, fragmented tools that only slow you down? We know the challenges: time consuming processes, confusing data, and a lack of integration across departments. Say goodbye to those headaches. Welcome to O2 HR Plus, the one stop HR solution designed to streamline your HR processes and take your business to the next level. With O2 HR Plus, employees can easily log in or check in using the web or mobile app. We even offer biometric options for smooth attendance tracking. You can log in using the biometric device, app, or web. Now say goodbye to manual attendance tracking. With HR Plus, monitoring employee attendance is now faster, smarter, and more accurate. With O2 HR Plus, you get automated attendance tracking, real-time updates and reports, and seamless integration with payroll. You can make your employee management simpler and keep your business on track every time. You can get real-time reports and manage leave requests, overtime, and working hours all at one place. Did your employee forget to log in? No worries. HR Plus has a regularization feature that allows you to fix the missed logins with just one click. O2 HR Plus makes leave tracking easy, organized, and stress-free. Employees can apply for leave and managers can approve it all through the app. With O2 HR Plus, you get quick and easy leave requests. No more paperwork, just a few clicks. Automated approvals. Approve or reject in seconds with no delays. Instant notifications. Stay in the loop with real-time updates. Customizable leave types. Tailor policies to fit your team's needs. Access anywhere, anytime. Manage leaves from any device on the go. Let's make employee leave management seamless, transparent, and hassle-free. Payroll is also a breeze with O2 HR Plus. Say no to manual payrolling. Everything is automated and accurate. With O2 HR Plus, you get simplified payroll. Let's face it, payroll can be overwhelming, but not with O2 HR Plus. We provide accurate and timely payroll solutions. Secure, automated, and hassle-free. On-time payments every time. Customized calculations. Leave the math to us and focus on what you do best. Let O2 HR Plus streamline your payroll process. Submitting expenses? It's very simple. Employees can submit their bills with just one touch and everything gets approved quickly. With HR Plus, managing employee expenses has never been easier. Employees can quickly upload bills, travel expenses, and reimbursements anytime, anywhere. Our smart approval workflow automatically routes expense requests to managers, reducing delays and paperwork. Track expenses in real time, set budgets, and generate detailed reports with just a click. With O2 HR Plus, expense management becomes simple, fast, and transparent. With O2 HR Plus, track field meetings anytime, anywhere, in real time. Our site visit feature allows you to track meetings with accurate location, calculate travel distance, monitor team and individual performance, make smart decisions. Tracking meetings made easy with O2 HR Plus, where performance meets precision. Trusted by businesses across industries, O2 HR Plus is scalable, secure, and designed to grow with your company. Take your workforce management to the next level. Book your free demo today and experience the change with O2 HR Plus.